Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to add a new user in Microsoft 365. A complete walkthrough for onboarding new employees in your organization. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to admin.microsoft.com. Make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft 365 admin account. Once you're in, you'll land on the Microsoft 365 Admin Center dashboard. So here you can see I'm now in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center dashboard. Next, on the left-hand menu, click on Users, and then select Active Users. This is where you can see all existing users in your organization. Now click the Add a User button at the top. This opens a form where you'll enter the new user's details. Next, fill in the basic details. In this example, I'm creating an account for a new employee named David Martinez, so I'll enter his first and last name here. Below, give them a username. This username becomes their new Microsoft 365 email address. Next, choose how you want to handle the password. You can automatically create a password or set one manually. You can also choose whether the user must change the password when they first sign in. Then click on the Next button. Here, set the user's location, which is usually the country or region where they'll be working. After that, assign the appropriate product licenses, for example, a Microsoft 365 Business Standard depending on what your organization uses. Then click on the Next button. In the optional settings, you can assign permissions or roles. For this demo, I'll give this user the SharePoint Administrator role so they can manage SharePoint sites. Here, you can also add additional profile information for the user. And finally, click on Finish Adding button. Now here you see Microsoft 365 will create the account and show you the login details for the new user. Here, you can also send the invitation email to the user's personal Gmail so they can access their login details. And that's it. You've successfully added a new user in Microsoft 365. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech guides.